What an incredible find. This is just absolutely beautiful, beautiful, beautiful one. Very fastidious friend of mine who's owned it from brand new, fully cherished. Great spec, spec'd to his own desires. You will not find one nicer than this one, and that is no exaggeration. SKODA KAROQ Sportline TSI 4x4 DSG. Sounds a mouthful. It is incredible specifications, superb to drive. This is the 2-litre TSI petrol engine, 190 brake horsepower, of course 4-wheel drive and automatic. Finished in velvet red metallic. Massive cars, great boot size, great family car. Beautiful clean in the boot. You've got a split folding rear seats, 3-load facility to carrying skis, fishing rods or anything longer through there. Makes it very easy. This one also has a spare wheel, which was an option when it was new. Of course, locking wheel bolt. All the boot and bumper all nice and clean, no damage whatsoever on there. Rear parking sensors, reverse camera, of course electric tailgate. I cannot stress how nice this car is. He really has absolutely polished it. It's been ceramic coated, polished and cleaned. Just amazing. It's got the mud flaps, which are an option. All the wheels are absolutely beautiful. None have been refurbished. All in great condition, and matching Michelin cross climate tyres. It is just stunning. The video does not do it any justice, to be honest with you. Totally unmarked, no scratches, dents, dings anywhere at all. Again, a full close-up of the near side front wheel. As you can see, it is beautiful. Sportline, just to remind you. All across the front, as you can see, we do a close-up to show you there is nothing to hide. Hands and knees. We'll show you full descriptions. This also has the LED upgraded headlights, which were an option on the vehicle. Again, a full close-up of the vehicle, full transparency. How many other dealers will show you all this detail? Right close up with the hands and knees. This will show you exactly how nice the car is. Just look at it glistening away. Again, the driver's wheel, as you can see. This is what we love to buy. Cars like this and this sort of condition and this sort of provenance. So when you are looking around, looking to buy a car, which other dealer will give you all this detail? Let's take you inside it. Nice carbon effect trim there. All the door trims absolutely perfect. Again, all the loading into the vehicle. It's got the rubber mats over the original carpet set underneath. Bags of legroom in there. Very spacious. Of course, the panoramic glass sunroof. Non-smoker's car. Electric windows, electric mirrors, folding mirrors, count-on stereo system, which sounds absolutely superb. Again, into the vehicle, no damage there. These sports seats are absolutely fabulous. They really do hug you in. Just look at those. Leather multifunction steering wheel. That's the optional 3-spoke steering wheel. Keyless start. 28061. That's always done. 28061. Full SKODA service history with all the documentation. all the dashboard, all the trims, all in great condition. No damage to those. Got the glass panoramic slide and a tilt sunroof, so it's not just a glass roof, it is a tilt and slide sunroof. Open it fully, or you can just have it on tilt if you just want a bit of fresh air coming in. And of course, if the sun is getting to you, the blind comes across all the way. Nice big clear screen on the infotainment system. All nice and easy touch screen. Scroll across. Apple CarPlay. Vehicle details. Of course, if you want to go off-road, you can give us the altitude. This one also has a virtual cockpit, which again was an option when it was new. All the options are listed on the descriptions, so when you are comparing, you'll find there's probably not another one like it in the country for sale. Of course, you've got a media input, radio, Bluetooth phone connection. You've got various driving modes. All very easy to navigate. Of course, reverse camera as I mentioned. And of course the navigation. Again, nice big clear screen. Dual zone climate control. Heated seats. Of course, DSG automatic gearbox. You can drive it like a manual mode if you so wish, or just leave it in drive and let it do its own thing. Drive mode button on there. With the off-road profile. And this one also had a heated steering wheel. What a fantastic feature. Just a little button there, you can adjust if you want it on 1, 2 or 3. Once you've had a heated steering wheel, you'll never go back. Cruise control and speed limiter. Of course, you've got a paddle shift gear change as well. Various menu for the onboard computer, dash layout, fuel range, etc. Again, all very easy to control. Folding mirrors, which I mentioned. As I mentioned, it does have full SKODA service history, 2 sets of keys, complete book pack, full HPR checked and clear. Just a unique specification in this incredible condition. I don't believe there's another one on the market for sale like it. So if you want it, you know what to do with it. And of course, the great sound system this one also has. The video probably doesn't do it any justice, but when you're driving in a vehicle with the stereo blasted away, it is beautiful. So there we have it, our very unique specified KAROQ, and a very rare model. If you are searching about, you won't see many of these for sale, especially to this specification and this condition. You can reserve this car 24/7. Remember, click and reserve 24/7 direct off our website. Remember our full money back guarantee. If you feel the car is not as described, we'll refund the deposit, which we know we never do because we describe our cars accurately. People know exactly what they're getting from our videos. Simple as that, really. So click and reserve, collect from our showrooms in Stoke-on-Trent. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. Please ask us for full and further details how that operates. Read about our raving fans reviews and you understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. We make buying and selling cars a simple, hassle-free process. Part exchange always welcome. Great finance available. Established since 1997. Based in Stoke-on-Trent, Staffordshire. We're open Monday to Saturday. Our phone number is 01782 822 700. Specialist cars and multi-award winning dealer. Happy to help. Our phone number again is 01782 822 700. So why should you buy your car off me? Very simple. We've been established since 1997 and our full way of transparency is to show to you how nice all our cars are. So rather than just comparing prices, we urge you to compare the specification, the condition and who you're dealing with. Read about our raving fans review and you'll understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. We have full on-site facilities for servicing, repairs, MOTs. Every single car goes through our workshop before you buy it. All are full HPI checked to ensure there's no outstanding finance, there's no damage, not been stolen. That gives you the confidence to know that that car is absolutely perfect. Why not follow us on Facebook? You'll get full updates of every single car, or exactly what's going on in the premises here. You can buy any of our vehicles 24/7 off our website. Click and reserve, come and collect. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. Buy it from the comfort of your armchair. Simple as that. With the full video, you know exactly what you're going to get. No nasty surprises. Check out our YouTube channel. Follow us on there and you will get updates of every single car as soon as it arrives in. Here to help you. Give us a call 01782 822 700.